Good morning, Teacher May, and good morning, classmates. Good morning, everybody.
Take your seat.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so everybody hands up. Hands up. Taas ang kamay, then you shake your hands. Shake. Okay, down. Up. Down. Okay, so what are the things that we should remember when the class is going on? Oh yes, Angel.
Raise your hand if you want.
Okay, that's correct. Another. Yes, Chanray.
Follow the direction properly.
Very good. Another. Yes, Mitch.
Listen when your teacher is talking.
Okay, correct. EJ.
Keep quiet.
Okay, so those are the things that we should remember when the class is going to have. For our about expresses one value as a fraction of another given their ratio and vice versa. So, let's have first. So everybody read.
Following fractions.
Okay, when you say mentally, you answer it directly. Okay, before answering, you read the number, then I will call who will answer the question. Okay, number 1, everybody read.
1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4.
Okay, equals, who will answer? Yes, Generous. Lakasan, ano yon?
3/4.
Okay, so tingnan natin kung tama yung sagot ni Generous. Okay, very good. The answer is 3/4. Now, how can we add fraction with the same denominator? So, ano yung gagawin kung mag-plus ng fraction na may the same denominator? Oh, Angel.
Copy the denominator and add the numerator.
Okay, very good. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Meron tayo, add the top numerators, then don't add the bottom, which is the denominator. Because they are the same, all we have to do is to copy the denominator. Another. We have here, okay, everybody read. Subtract, go.
Subtract the following fractions.
Okay, so tingnan natin. We have, everybody read.
9/10 minus 2/10.
So equals, who wants to answer? Oh yes, Ivy Rowe. What are we going to do if we will subtract fraction that are or that have the same denominator? Oh, Angel.
Copy the denominator and subtract the numerator.
Okay, that is correct. So, meron tayo dito. Copy, subtract the top numerators, then copy the denominator. So, now, look at the picture. Tingnan niyo yung picture. Look at the pictures, then count the number of girls and boys in their respective rows. Okay, so you write your answer on your notebook. It is. Now, we post on this big post. As you can see, we have here pictures. So we were going to answer the table on the board. So now, who will answer? There are how many boys in row 1. So, meron tayo dito row 1. Ito yung row 1. So, who can answer? There are how many boys? Yes, EJ. You write your answer on the board. Okay, is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, so next, how about there are how many girls? Yes, Chanray. there are 2 girls. Now, let us add the number of boys and number of girls. So, we have number of pupils in a row. So, there are how many? 3 plus 2, we have?
5.
Okay, we have 5. How about the second row? Tingnan nyo na dyan. Second row. How many of them are boys? Yes, John Alvin. Okay, so, is it correct? Tama ba? How about, there are how many girls? Reggie. So, there are 3. So, let us add again so that we can get the number of pupils. So, 2 plus 3, we have?
5.
Correct. Next. Last one, the row 3. There are how many boys? Yes. Generals. Okay, correct. Then we have number of girls. Jonah May. Okay, so let us add. We have 3 plus 2?
5.
Okay, everybody read the question number 1. How many go?
How many children in each row?
So, how many children in each row? Who will answer? You raise your hand. Yes, Jasper. 15 in each row. I'm asking for in each row. Ito. Tagi-ilan? Yes, Risa. Okay, very good. There are 5 children in each row. Next, number 2, everybody read.
How do you compare the number of boys to the number of girls in row 1? Row 2.
Okay, so how can we compare the number of boys and girls in row 1? So there are how many number of girls in row 1? There are 2. How about boys?
3.
In row 2, there are how many girls?
3.
In row 2?
2.
Boys. So now let us compare again in row 2 and 3. Who will answer? There are how many boys in row 2? Yes, Angel.
There are 2 boys.
Yes, correct. There are 2 boys. How about in row 3? There are how many boys? Yes, Risa.
There are 3 girls.
I'm asking for boys. Okay. So there are 3 boys. Now, so we used to compare these numbers. So what do you think is the ratio? What do you mean by ratio based on our example given? So, ano guys, sa tingin niyo yung ibig sabihin ng ratio? Based on the example given, what do you think is the ratio? Yes, Chanray.
Compare
Ano? Okay, let us see if the answer of Chanray is correct. So, we have here, everybody read.
A ratio is a comparison of 2 numbers by division.
Okay, so tama yung sagot ni Chanray. It is the comparison or comparison means it is the comparison of 2 numbers. Tama yung sagot ni Chanray. So there are different ways that we can write ratio. We can write as word. We can use this word isto. Then we can use also colon. Then fraction bar. So let us try from this table that we have answered. Okay, so let us try to answer the table by using the following. We can use word, colon, and fraction bar. Now, let us try this. The ratio of number of boys to ratio of number of girls in row 1. Who will answer on the board? Yes, EJ. You're right. Okay, is it correct? Tama ba
Opo.
yun? Opo. So, next, how about in colon form? Who will try to answer? Yes, Generous. Colon form. Tingnan natin kung alam niyo kung ano yung colon. Three is to 2. So, this is the colon. Is it correct?
Opo.
Okay, tama yan. How about fraction bar? Oh, yes, Jonah May. Fraction bar. Okay, that is correct. Now, we have here another example. Example, everybody read. John, go.
John read 3 books in 4 days. Write the ratio of books to days.
Okay, so you are going to write the ratio of books into days. So there are how many books?
3,
How about days?
4.
Now who can come to the board and write the word form of the ratio of books into days? Oh, Ivy Rose, word form. Okay, so 3 is to 4. Tama ba yan? Okay, very good. Another. How about in colon form? O, Jan Alwin. Okay, 3 is to 4. Tama rin yan. How about in fraction form? O, Jasper. Mamadali si Jasper. Okay, so that is correct. So, okay, another example. Everybody read.
Carl and Marty are twins. Carl has 10 pieces of quick, and Patrick has 5 pieces of Esau. Write the ratios of quick to Esau. Expressed in as words, colon, and fraction.
Come to the board and answer the following ratio in word form. So we are looking for the ratio of kwek-kwek to Esau. Yes, Angel. Okay, correct. How about colon form? O, Reggie. Doon sa kabila, straight mo doon, oh. Yan. 10. Correct. Next, fraction. Laila. Everybody sit properly. Upo ng maayos. Upo ng maayos. Okay, correct. So, tingnan nyo. Word or phrase. We have, basahin mo na 10. Go.
10 is to 5.
10 is to 5. Then, we have fraction. Basahin.
10 over 5.
Okay. So, now we will have a group activity. So, what are the group standard that we have? Before we will have our group activity, we will read number 1. Chanray.
Cooperate.
Okay, so cooperate or work with a group. Another. Yes, Mitch. Number 2.
Share ideas.
Okay, if you have some ideas or you know the answer, then you share it with your groupmates. Then the most important one is Risa.
Behave.
Okay, so behave. Don't be naughty. Okay, so our rules in our group activity, we will use the show board. Then the first one who can raise and and have the correct answer will have 1 point. Naintindihan?
Oh.
Now you can proceed to your group. Okay, ready? So we will have, I will flash the questions here, then all you have to answer, then after answering, you raise your show board. Okay, so there are 9 boys and 14 girls in grade 6 section Sampaguita. So you answer the question. Question, what is the ratio of girls to boys? Using words. Words. Okay, nauna yung group 1. Next! So, the answer is 14:9. Another. Ganon pa rin yung tanong. What is the ratio of girls to the children in grade 6 Sampaguita? Write in colon. 9:14. Mali. Again, what is the ratio of girls to the children? Children, not children. Post this then. Next question, what is the ratio of girls to children in grade 6 section Sampaguita? Girls to children. Using colon. No, using colon. Ratio, okay, correct. 14:23. The score goes to group 1. Next. Ganun pa rin. 9 boys to 14 girls. Question. What is the ratio of boys to children? Boys to children in grade 6 section Sampaguita. Use in fraction. Fraction. Okay, so the correct answer is 9/23. Okay, so what is the ratio of boys to children in grade 6 section Sampaguita? Use in colon form. Okay, bilis. Use in colon form. Okay, correct. Nauna yung group 2. 9:23. Okay, another. Next question. So, the ratio of 10 books to pupils to 20 pupils. Write in fraction form. Bilis. Okay, correct. Tama ang group 2. 10/20. Next. The ratio of 8 flowers to 4 vases. Colon form. Okay. Correct answer is 8:4. Tama yung group 2. So, we have 3 all. Next. 2 buses to 50 passengers. Colon form. Okay, correct. 2:50. Group 2. Next is 7 teachers to 70 pupils. Fraction. Okay, correct. Nauna yung group 1. Okay, last one for group 1. Okay, so 6 apples to 36 oranges. Fraction. Okay, 6 is over 36. Okay, we have the winner. Group 1. Okay, let us give group 1 5 claps. Go! Okay, now, so, how did you find the activity? Did you enjoy the activity?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, did you find the right answer? Nakuha niyo ba yung tamang sagot?
Oo.
Yung iba, nahuli. So, how did you express one value as ratio, fraction, and write them into 3 different ways and vice versa. So, what are the 3 different ways? Ano yung 3 different ways? First is, ano yung ginawa nyo kanina? Mitch. Hi? You stand up. You use it in word. You write it in word. Another. After the word, we have, yes, Risa. Colon form. Then last one. Yes, Jenna Rose?
Fraction.
Okay, fraction form. So those are the 3 ways in writing ratio. Okay, let us read the problem.
Your mother told you to buy 2 kilos of chili and 4 kilos of calamari. Now using the 3 ways in writing the ratio, express the ratio of chili to calamari.
Okay, now I will give you 2 minutes to answer this in your notebook. You express it in 3 ways. Go. So everybody exchange notebook. Exchange notebook with your seatmate. Now, who can answer the first, the ratio in word? You say your answer and then I will be the one to write it. Yes, Laila. Sige, sabihin mo.
2:4.
Okay, in word we have 2:4. Another in colon. Oh, the same. That is the same way. Oh, yes, Ivy Rose.
2:4.
Okay, correct. 2:4. If you have answer like this, your answer are correct. Next, in fraction form. Yes, Mitch.
2/4.
Okay, correct. We have 2/4. You return the notebook to the owner. Balik sa may-ari. Who got 3? Very good. How about 2? 1, 0. Okay. Very good. So, is there any question?
No, teacher.
Then, let us answer the following questions. Okay, I will give you to answer. Then, after that, we will check your answer. Okay, everybody, exchange your paper from your seatmate. Okay, try to look the answer if your answers are correct. Here we have answer key. It is. Okay, you return the paper to the owner. Balik sa may-ari. You count the number of checks, then you return to the owner. Okay, who got 12? Who got 12? Kayo, ilan score na? How about 11? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and below. Okay, so very good. Congratulations. I think you understand our lesson for today. So let us give ourselves 10 claps. Go!